Hi guys, I have such a story to tell you about my transcendentia, whatever, wandering Jew, baby belly, baby bunnies bellies. This plant here, oh my. I basically had so much propagations from this, I had enough for an army. This plant just propagated and propagated, and meaning I just kept pulling off pieces and growing more and more and more. I have baby bunny bellies everywhere. They're so cool. And if you like to give plants away, if you like quick growth, try this variety. I only saw it once, so I don't know how often they're out there, but I love this plant. It just propagates and makes more and more and more. I don't know if I want to say propagate, it makes more, I should say. And so I'm looking forward to seeing how it does over the winter. I have several of these in the house. I've had some I'm giving away. But out of all the plants I've had this summer, this is the one that did the most as far as giving and giving and giving. I mean, I have it all over in all kinds of situations. Some of them died, but it's forever just doing great. So I'm hoping that I'll get a nice big full pot out of this. And I won't be propagating my plants unless they're new or, I won't be repotting, I'm sorry, unless they're new or they're in a crisis situation. So these guys are all set for the winter. I like to repot a plant as soon as I get it, if there's a reason. Sometimes there's not a reason. Sometimes maybe if it's overwatered, I'll pop it out of the pot quick and put it in drier dirt, because in some places they just water them every day, and then I give it a chance to dry out. And then sometimes I propagate it just because I don't know if it's root bound, and I want to split it up to see how it's doing, to check the health. So it's a little messy out here on my back porch, but where I've been working on my garden, my indoor plant garden. But anyway, this is baby bunnies bellies, wandering Jew, and it was a giver. So remember, big or small, you too can be a backyard farm. God bless.